Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you just click here on settings. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. So then you click here on profile options, just click on it. Then you come here to automatic build it list, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here automatic build it list enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.